Hi everyone, I am Milan from MK Designs and I am back with a custom project. So it's a quick project for you guys and this will take like couple of hours to customize. For this motorcycle, what we are going to do is we are going to work on the handlebar, front fender, rear fender, the tail section and the seat. So talking about the handlebar, so the owner wants the riding posture to be very aggressive. So what we have is a drag bar which will go here, and as you can see, the riding posture, like the ergonomics, will be very aggressive with the drag bar. So this is a chrome variant that we have. Talking about the front fender, so we have this product called the mini front fender, and for this, as you can see, the fender is very big. So what we are planning is we are going to put a very small fender on this. So this is the mini fender and it can also be called as a bobber fender. Talking about the rear, and what we'll do is we'll remove the seat, we'll chop off the frame from this part, and in this we have a variant called Shorty Tapered. So we'll put the Shorty Tapered in this angle. We have a seat that is custom made for the build, and as you can see, it has red stitches matching the motorcycle. And we are gonna change the fender as well. We have the fender and the tail light. So this is the fender that is going to come on the back, and this tail light will be installed on top of this. Finally, we have decided like what we are going to do on this motorcycle. So let's start chopping the motorcycle and installing the kit, and let's see how it looks after the installation. And finally, all the parts have been installed on the motorcycle. You can see the list of parts that you have installed on the screen. And if you want to transform your motorcycle like this, do let us know. You can directly order these parts on our website.